it's Alexia from LPT Medical, and in today's video we're going to do an unboxing of the Inogen One G4. So first off, we're going to open up the box and take everything out and show you what comes inside your Inogen One G4 package. Your cannula, user manual, you have your wall charger, your car charger, your battery, your carry case, and the unit itself. Now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up your Inogen One G4 for first time use. First, we are going to install the battery. It just slides directly into these grooves and clicks on. Then we are going to slide it into our carry case. It just slides right in. Then we are going to put on our cannula. The cannula port is right on top and it just slides right on. Now your Inogen One G4 is ready to turn on. To power on the Inogen One G4, simply press the power button. The unit will turn on. There is a plus and minus arrow to adjust the settings. Simply press it to go down or press it to go up. It goes from a setting of 1 to 3. There is also a bell button to adjust any alarms you may have. And then to power it off, simply hold the power button again. The Inogen One G4 is 7.2 inches in height, 5.91 inches in length, and 2.68 inches wide. The Inogen One G4 weighs 2.8 pounds. It has oxygen flow settings from 1 to 3. It has 2 battery options, a 4-cell battery, which will give you 2.25 hours on a setting of 2, or an 8-cell battery, which will give you 4.5 hours on a setting of 2. The Inogen One G4 is great for oxygen users who do not need a high setting, as it goes from 1 to 3, and it is very lightweight and easy to carry around, as it is one of the smallest and lightest portable concentrators on the market. If you want to see how the Inogen One G4 compares to other portable oxygen concentrators, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. Most importantly, if you're in the market for an Inogen One G4 or another portable oxygen concentrator, make sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen today so you can speak to one of our respiratory specialists to get you into a portable oxygen concentrator.